Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for receiving more interesting updates about latest products. Today we will discuss about Razer Viper Mini Ultralight Gaming Mouse, fastest gaming switches, 8500 dpi optical sensor, Chroma RGB underglow lighting, 6 programmable buttons, drag-free cord, classic black. Color, classic black, Cyberpunk 2077, Mercury white, Quartz pink. Connectivity technology, wireless. Brand, Razer. Movement detection technology, optical. Number of buttons, 8. 25% quicker than competing wireless mice, Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology brings together extreme low latency and interference reduction for true wireless freedom. The lightest, zero-compromise wireless esports gaming mouse at 74 grams, the Razer Viper Ultimate includes a 20K dpi optical sensor befitting the most serious gamers without the need for drilled holes. Faster than traditional mechanical switches, new Razer optical mouse switches uses light beam-based actuation, registering button presses at the speed of light. Ambidextrous design, created for left and right-handed users with accessible, programmable buttons on both sides. Item model number RZ0102550600R3M1. Hardware platform, PC. Item weight, 7 ounces. Product dimensions, 4.99 by 2.45 by 1.49 inches. Item dimensions LXWXH, 4.99 by 2.45 by 1.49 inches. Manufacturer, Razer Incorporated ASIN. B08 liters YN2JHJ. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.